Have you noticed how loud your inner voice can be? Many people wake up and are immediately surrounded by all sorts of realistic sounding voices. Just accept your fate and stop overthinking. Your background has already set your ceiling. Too much ambition will only make you fall harder. Everyone says you're being unrealistic. Just live a steady, ordinary life. These words might come from family, friends, society, or even the constant inner monologue we repeat to ourselves. They act like invisible shackles, making dreams feel completely out of reach. I used to be deeply trapped in this too. On the surface, everything seemed fine, but inside I was being pulled apart every day by these voices. You're not good enough. You'll fail. You're destined to be ordinary. That went on until I discovered a scientific truth that completely changed everything. Real confidence and strength actually come from repeatedly hearing the version of yourself you want to become. Modern neuroscience tells us that the brain has neuroplasticity. It continuously reshapes its neural pathways based on whatever you repeat most often. If you keep telling yourself I can't do it or I don't have a chance, your brain digs that pathway deeper and deeper, turning self-doubt into a habit. But if you repeatedly input I deserve better and I can break through any limitation, your brain will build a brand new highway, making confidence, ambition, and a sense of control feel completely natural. Studies show that this kind of repetition activates the brain's reward system, lowers stress hormones, and strengthens positive thought circuits. This isn't empty motivational talk, it's a genuine brain upgrade. Just like muscles grow stronger with daily exercise, your mindset becomes more powerful with daily positive repetition. Many people have had similar experiences, waking up filled with anxiety, mind flooded with thoughts like I can't do this, and stop dreaming. Then they started trying to loudly repeat one sentence every day about the person they want to become. For example, standing in front of the mirror right after waking up and saying, I have the power to change my destiny. It meant to reach higher places. At first it felt a bit awkward, but after persisting for a few weeks, real change appeared. Mornings were no longer so chaotic. They faced challenges with more confidence, and the whole person felt ignited, switching from resignation mode to conquest mode. That's the magic of repetition. Ready to try it together? Here are 3 barrier steps you can start using right now. Step 1. Choose an affirmation that directly counters your deepest inner limitation. What's the negative voice that pops up most often? If it's my starting point is too low, use my future is written by me, I can break through any boundary. If it's daunting too high, use I have ambition, and I deserve to stand at the very top. If it's destined to be ordinary, use I grow every day and meant to shine. Pick 1 or 2 that most powerfully fight back against your inner noise. Step 2. Repeat them every day out loud. Science proves repetition is the most effective way to carve new beliefs into the brain. Say them first thing when you wake up. Say them while looking in the mirror. Say them while driving. Say them when stressed. It's preferably out loud, because hearing your own voice speak positive words doubles the effect. Research shows this directly activates the brain's emotional regulation areas, making a positive mindset your default mode. Step 3. Tie them to existing daily habits so they happen automatically. This is called habit stacking. Say them while brushing your teeth, recite them before unlocking your phone, repeat them while journaling. This way, the positive statements weave into your daily rhythm, making the change more lasting and natural. Many people who do this discover that not only does their anxiety decrease, but they gain a much stronger sense of control, and life starts feeling full of momentum. Friend, remember, the voices in your head aren't necessarily the truth. You can actively amplify the one that makes you shine. Stop letting the noise of settling for mediocrity dominate your life. Starting today, keep telling yourself I deserve a bigger stage. I have the ability to conquer everything. I'm destined to make the world bow to me. Keep going, and you'll gradually become more confident while anxiety slowly fades away. If this content resonated with you, feel free to share in the comments what negative inner voice are you currently fighting, and which affirmation have you chosen to counter it with. Also, if you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you'll be the first to see more content like this. Thank you for your support. See you next time.